Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B12 nasal spray. First, ensure your nostrils are clear by gently blowing your nose. If it's your first time using the spray, you'll need to prime the pump by spraying it 4 to 6 times into the air until a fine mist appears. For subsequent uses, prime it just 2 times. Remember to avoid consuming hot foods or liquids for at least 1 hour before and after using the spray to ensure optimal absorption. Now, let's go over the correct application. Hold the nasal spray bottle upright with your thumb on the bottom and your index and middle fingers on either side of the nozzle. Gently insert the nozzle about 1/2 inch into one nostril. Close your other nostril with your free index finger. While breathing in gently through your nose, firmly and quickly press the plunger upwards with your thumb. Remove the nozzle and keep your head straight for 10 to 20 seconds. Regarding dosage, a typical adult recommendation is 1 spray into 1 nostril, administered once every 7 days. Each individual spray usually contains 500 micrograms of vitamin B12. It is crucial to always adhere to the specific instructions provided by your healthcare professional, as your prescribed dose may vary. Never use the nasal spray more frequently than directed on your prescription label to ensure safety and effectiveness. To maximize the effectiveness of your vitamin B12 nasal spray, proper storage is key. Keep the container upright at room temperature, ideally between 15 and 30 degrees Celsius, or 59 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect it from light and never allow it to freeze. If you have a runny or congested nose, defer using the spray until your symptoms improve, as this can affect absorption. Always discard any unused medication after its expiration date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.